cryptocurrencies, but the technology has many, many other applications. Samuel Burke joins me now live from Dubai, which is hosting a global blockchain summit. What you got, Samuel?
Christy, a lot of people still question what is blockchain. I think one of the best explanations I've heard at this conference is it's an electronic ledger. So think of it as a place where everybody could see the transactions that have gone back and forth between banks, for example, kind of a Google Doc that can be shared around the world for different uses. Dubai's government has made very clear that they want to be a blockchain hub. So they're hosting conferences like this one and having guests here, speakers like Larry Sanger. You were a co-founder of Wikipedia, and now you're the chief information officer at rival Everipedia. And one of the reasons I've heard that this could be a good rival to Wikipedia is that having the information on blockchain, that's what you want to do, is put blockchain in with Everipedia so that the information can be accessible to everybody, because we see countries where parts of or all of Wikipedia has been blocked. How could blockchain help this issue?
Basically, a blockchain is a collection of nodes. I think of it as a database where copies are spread, replicated across a lot of different nodes. So you have to block every single one of them. In addition, we've got a sort of file sharing system under development called IPFS, the Interplanetary File System, as it's called.
Okay.
And they'd have to block that as well.
So the advantage is, so even if a government blocked one page somewhere, that the information would be spread amongst computers in many places so that information could still be accessible.
Exactly. Well, a blockchain is like a protocol. So just like HTTP itself, you would have to block the whole internet in order to block a robust blockchain.
Wikipedia is already so popular. You helped found something that has been incredibly successful. And some people question, does there really need to be a competitor to Wikipedia, given that so many people are involved? So is that really necessary?
I don't think there are enough people involved. There's only something like 12,000 regular contributors to Wikipedia, and yet it's got hundreds of millions of readers. It should have over 1 million contributors. That's just one problem. And another problem is, if it's a top 5 website, doesn't that mean that there should be openness to multiple competing articles? And why doesn't Wikipedia rate the articles and allow public contributions in that form?
Clearly, you believe in blockchain technology. You're bringing it to a group that already existed, and you're trying to change the underpinnings of it. When you look at the landscape, what environments, what other companies or industries, let's say, do you think are most ripe for blockchain to disrupt?
Well, okay, I haven't really studied it that much, but I will say this. I've seen some really interesting education blockchain companies, and that is certainly one industry that is ripe for disruption.
Well, Christy, to Mr. Sanger's point, we've actually been looking at a company that's spreading its wings here in Dubai called Educhain, and this company is trying to use blockchain so that you can get your university transcripts. Anybody who's done that knows what a headache it can be, and does your employer accept the format that they sent it in? So they're trying to create a standard for all universities, all workplaces, using blockchain to accept something like a transcript so that it's all able to speak to each other with a lot more ease. That was one of the best tangible examples that I've seen out here of how you could take a process that's a lot of bureaucratic headache and put it into one standard format for the world.
And that's exactly it, Samuel, is just to be able to hear your report on this tangible examples of blockchain, because I'm still trying to get my head around the concept. But when you talk about this rival to Wikipedia, you talk about something that's a blockchain transcript system, then we become one step closer to understanding what it's all about. Samuel Burke, live from Dubai, thank you so much. We'll talk again soon. And that is it for Newsstream. I'm Christy Lustau. Don't go anywhere. We've got World Sports' Amanda Davis next.